Alright, we're all set to cut, so the only thing we really need to do is move our laser to the cutting part and put the material in. So I have a piece of wood here, and we're going to put it inside of the laser cutter. So tilt this. I don't know if this is some sort of spring or something. So you want to position your piece of wood kind of in the center. Once it's in the center, we're going to have to move our laser head. The laser itself wants to burn from the top left. So even though we are homed, we need to move that laser cutter head. And you'll see that on the screen we have these jog buttons, and we can jog it, and as we jog you'll see the laser head moving, and we're gonna set it into the top right, sorry, top left, and then we're gonna set our height. We're gonna set our height, and then we're going to continue to burn. So there's our adjustment for there's our adjustment right there for the laser cutter, so the height is right. We have everything set kind of in the top right. I might move my material a little bit just so it's right up there in the top corner. Now normally you can see a tiny bit of a laser light down here. You have to look really close. The camera is not going to pick that up, but that'll show you where you're starting. Alright, we'll close that. Everything looks good. We'll go over here. We'll go back to our computer, our software. We'll check up to this box here, which right now says vector mode, but we actually want to change that so that it says raster and then vector. It's going to etch our raster first and then cut out our vector. So we have raster then vector mode. Boom. We can check our perimeter by hitting this to make sure that our machine is running the right perimeter. Wow, I'll do that again for you. So it checks to see if everything's going to work and fit inside of that zone. When we're all set with that, we're going to go ahead and hit play, and it's going to start burning. So I'm going to stop this. In the next video we'll show it actually burning, but it'll be a lot louder. Okay? Okay, we're all set up and ready to begin laser etching and cutting. So we're going to go to raster then vector mode up here on the top here. We're going to click the play button, and then it's going to begin firing. Laser head actually beginning to etch in. The etching process will take place first, and then that'll be followed up by the cutting. When it's done, we'll take a peek at it, and then that'll be pretty much the process for the laser cutter.